I hope the sound comes out. Never heard this many frogs before. Don't go looking for anything, Tony. We're not going up there. No, we're not hunting. Go potty. You done? Good girl. What do you think? Oh, did you trip? You are my dog. You are my puppy girl. Puppy girl. What do you think about all the frogs? Pretty loud, huh? That's pretty weird. Okay, ready to go back in the house? What did you do to your ear? Huh? What did you got an owie? No? Okay.